Welcome to Crafting Made Easy. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a beautiful 3D paper model of a South India temple. This project is perfect for anyone, regardless of your crafting experience. With our step-by-step instructions and all-in-one kit, you'll have everything you need to complete this stunning masterpiece. South India is known for its magnificent temples that showcase intricate architecture and rich cultural heritage. By creating this 3D paper model, you'll be able to bring a piece of South India's beauty into your own home. To begin, let's talk about what's included in our all-in-one kit. Inside, you'll find pre-cut paper pieces that are ready to be assembled. These pieces are made of high-quality paper, ensuring that your finished model will be sturdy and long-lasting. Additionally, the kit includes a detailed instruction manual that will guide you through each step of the construction process. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step instructions. The first step is to carefully punch out the pre-cut paper pieces from the sheets. Be sure to do this gently to avoid tearing the paper. Once all the pieces are punched out, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the instruction manual. This will give you a clear understanding of the construction process before you begin. With the pieces punched out and the instructions in hand, it's time to start assembling the temple. Begin by folding along the dotted lines on each piece. These folds will create the necessary structure for your 3D model. Take your time with this step, as accuracy is key to ensure that the pieces fit together perfectly. Once all the pieces are folded, it's time to start gluing them together. Apply a small amount of glue to the designated tabs and press the corresponding pieces together. Hold them in place for a few seconds to allow the glue to set. Repeat this process for each piece until your temple starts to take shape. Finally, when all the pieces are glued together, let the temple dry completely before moving or displaying it. Once dry, you can choose to add extra details such as paint or embellishments to further customize your model. Congratulations! You've successfully created a beautiful 3D paper model of a South India temple. Display it proudly in your home or give it as a thoughtful gift to someone special. Remember, crafting is all about expressing your creativity and enjoying the process. I hope you've enjoyed this project and I can't wait to see what you create next. Thank you for watching.